Folks, here I am, Prado Regional Park. Let's take a look now. So folks, they're stocking it every Thursday. Nice size trout. This is the place that I come fishing. I love it here. If you come here, you're gonna catch fish. I love it. So what I wanted to show you guys is the merchandise that they have for sale here. They got power bait, they got bobbers, they got swivels. Whatever you need, they have it. This is a power bait right here. This is a good stuff right here. Oh yeah, chartreuse, this is good right here. This is what I caught the 7-pounder with when I was here fishing. And they got barrel weights, great. And they have the bite indicator, got a hit. Here, they're gonna start selling them here. Also, listen, if you're coming here late, you forgot the worms, they sell them. They got night crawlers. $5 per night crawler. You get 12 of them. Okay, so this has got a hit. I want to introduce the lake here. It's a great lake. Every Thursday they're stocking. Last Thursday they stocked. The week before that they stocked. Okay folks, here we are, Prado Park, getting stocked. Little overcast today, folks. Okay, here we are, Prado Park, Prado Regional Park. This is their third stocking, folks. I'm right here, right by the truck. It's an overcast day, little light sprinkle, but it's looking good, folks. Here we go. We're going to be able to see the big fish coming out of here. Pelicans are coming. Ducks are coming. Hey, if you want them, come out here to Prado. Got your name on it. Come on, Gilbert. We got a fish for you here. Darren, all the guys, check it out. It's right at around 6:30, folks. Close to 6:30. They're stocking it. Thursday, every Thursday. January 29th, they're going to be stocking it 2 times. So here's your opportunity, guys. Get out here to Prado Regional Park. Check it out. Okay, now it's freaking a little bit more. You're going to do that side first, buddy? Or how do you do it? The main right here?
I'll do it right here.
Oh, okay. So here we go. We're going to have a picture, but now the rain's coming. Okay, folks. Wow, they called it. The weatherman said it was going to rain, and he was correct. For the first time. Live fish, folks. This is the first time I've been so close up to one of these containers here that are putting the trout in here. Very interesting. So this is pretty cool. This is exciting here. There they are, folks. This is the type of fish they're putting in here. Calavera's Trout Farm. Here we go. Here we go. He's putting the tube in, folks. Let's watch the biggies coming out of here. So my friend Darren was out here last week. He caught a 9.7 pound trout. 9.7.
That big old one I saw.
And then I just seen the picture. He said it's a 10-pounder. I don't know. I didn't see a scale. So who knows? Okay, this job here, you get a little wet once in a while. There goes the tube. Tube's going in. Okay, folks, we're just waiting. We're waiting. We're waiting. Here they come. Here they come.
I'm going to back up.
He's going to back up a little bit. I'm going to be right here. Wow, this is exciting, folks. First time doing this. Here we go, folks. You're gonna get the shot here. Try to catch them. Here we go, folks. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Watch this video. There it goes, folks. He's gonna release it. It's coming. First one is coming here. First one coming out. Here we go. Okay, he's releasing the lever there. The hatch, I guess you want to call it.
Go.
Well, here we go, folks. He gave the word. There it is. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, there's a big one. Oh, whoa. Oh, nice one. There they are. Coming out. Nice one. Woo! Look at that. Look at that. Whoa, whoa. Whoa, see him? Oh, that's a nice one. Look at those. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Woo! Man, look at that. They're right here. They're ready for you. Come on out. Come on out, Prado Park. We got the big ones here, folks. Look at that. Look at that. Coming out. Coming out. So that was the first one. Wow, they're just right here if I had a net, but no, what's the fun in that? We need to catch them. Throw your pole out there, put your power bait. The word is orange pumpkin's been hitting them. Well, that's what my buddy Darren said. Oh, whoa, 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 there we go. Here they are, folks. Here they are. Check that out. Check that out. Look at those beauties. Wow. That is neat. Boom. Boom, boom. Look at that. Oh. And the last of them. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that beauty. Just waiting. I'll be back. I'll be back. I'll be out here on Monday. Maybe tomorrow. Try my luck. See what happens. So look at that, folks. Right there. Look at that. Is that it? Okay, folks. There it is. So for the ones that are questioning, hey, does Prado get stocked? Here's the proof. They do get stocked. Every Thursday, January 29th, it's going to be double stocking. Be here, get your ticket, man. Let's get the fish, folks. This has got to hit. I'm out.